The TAG Heuer Carrera Chronosprint is a fantastic addition to TAG's lineup. The distinct crystal that runs flat with the case creates a unique and vintage-inspired look, which is accentuated by the red styling across the dial. The unique feature of this Carrera is the speed of the chronograph. When you click the top pusher, you will see the second hand race away like a 911 setting off. Yet just as it hits what would be the 30-second mark, it starts to slow down, and then, as it hits the 45-second mark, slows even further, so one full rotation is still 60 seconds. This watch obviously carries a huge amount of racing pedigree and is built for petrol heads, and if you are at all on the fence, I would highly recommend checking one out in person to see what you think. The sapphire crystal and red accents makes it pop and stand out from the crowd without being too showy. In terms of dimensions, this watch measures in at 42mm and is a very comfortable watch for all wrist sizes. And when you turn the case around, you are greeted by a very fun and well-designed rotor made to look like a steering wheel. The only people who I would recommend trying on before you purchase is people with smaller wrists to make sure the lugs don't overhang. We have this particular watch in our shop at the moment, and I will leave a link below if you are curious. Please like, comment, and subscribe.